Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all staying safe and doing well. Today I have the Mini-Z MR-03 EVO Special chassis set to unbox. This is the one that comes with the 5600 kV motor. It's a brushless motor. So you can see on the box, this is the Mini-Z MR-03 EVO Special chassis. It comes with the X-Speed 56 motor. It comes with ball bearings and a separable receiver design. On the other side of the box, you have some photographs of what's included. So this lets you use a separate receiver. The one that I will use will be for the Futaba transmitter. It comes with an oil shock, blue anodized ball differential set, and upper caster on. The back of the box contains information about the chassis dimensions and specs. This comes as a narrow, when it's pre-assembled, it comes as a narrow set, but there are parts to make it a wider in the front. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. Alright, so first of all, we get the instruction sheet. Gives you some information about how to adjust various settings on the chassis. So you can change the caster angle. You can also remove the oil shock. And then you can also, shows you how to attach various components like the oil shock, the disc damper, and then gives you some options on which oil viscosities to use depending on how you wish to set up your car. Then we have the Mini-Z MR-03 EVO manual. So this is an instruction manual on how everything that's included as part of the chassis. It's pretty detailed, so I'm not going to go over this, but this will show you what transmitters you can use, how to install batteries, just general instructions for using this. And then because this is the special version, they give you a hex screw set, and then the ball differential too, that's anodized in blue color. So I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but these are the special features included in this particular kit. So here's the chassis. It's tied down on the back underneath to prevent it from moving around. But as you can see, it comes with the blue 5600 kV brushless motor. It comes with the oil shock, blue anodized ball differential set too, and then fully equipped with ball bearings front and rear within the chassis as well. So this is where you would put the separate receiver. For the Futaba, it's the orange cable. And then of course, this is the narrow setting. So the front wheels are set to narrow, so you can use a smaller body. But if you wish to use different bodies that have a wider front tread, then there are parts in here that will allow you to swap them out. So yeah, we have a start pack here. This is the wheel nut, the nut to unscrew the wheel nuts. You also get the battery tabs and the cover for the receiver. Here is components to sort of adjust the ball differential set. This is the cap for the oil shock. And then the caster arm sets. So I believe they give you various different settings. Extra spring for the real oil shock. And then, yes, so this is the camera glare. So you can barely make it out, but there's a W there. W is for wide, and that's the component these are the components that you will use to widen the front tread. This also comes with various motor mounts for the various pinion gears for the motor. So I think the default is 6T, that's already included, but you can swap it out for 7, 8, or 9 to make your car faster. And then with the real oil shock, you get some silicone oil. This is the 200 version, and of course you can purchase aftermarket different viscosities. So yeah, there you have it. This is the Mini Z MR-03 EVO SP chassis set with the 5600 kV brushless motor. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and have a great day.